Welcome back to Trade Pro FX. Today is another amazing video. It's been long, so let's proceed. This is Trade Pro FX, debot.pages.dev. So if you have not been interacting with this site, kindly do so. So it's just the Deriv interface as it normally looks. So we have everything inbuilt. So like you have the analysis. You can see this is the first analysis tool, and its purpose is trading over under. So we also have the even, odd, rise and fall. So you know the purpose of this, and you can input the number of ticks you want it to see, so that you can predict your prediction digit or the contract type you want to trade. So we have this one, which is new. This is the signals or digits. It's very new, so you can see with this you can only change the market, so it just shows just as exactly as the Deriv interface. So you can trade using this one. So you'll just scroll downward, and then you can see we have the even, odd. So it is doing some analysis, and it will give you a signal when to enter a trade. So whenever the trades are have concluded, it's doing some even, odd distribution analysis. So this one is new into the website, so you can check it on the Trade Pro FX pages.dev. So it will give you an entry after some conditions have been met, and you can see what it is looking for on that. So after let's wait and see how it goes about that, so you can understand this is even, odd. So you can see it is looking for some streak. So you can see one even digit in a row. So let's see whether it will give us an entry there, and then that's where you can run your bot after setting up everything. If you are trading volatility 10 index, you go and look for the same market on the volatility side. So that's the even, odd part. So we have also we can see it has not yet gotten a good entry. So we have also the over under. The over under, you can see it is also the same. So it's doing some analysis, and you can see after the entries are gotten, it is looking for some consistent patterns. So after the analysis is gotten, it only focuses on those digits for the trading purposes. So it's you to decide what to trade, either over 2 or over 3 or over 4 or under. So finally we have the matches and differs. So it does some analysis over the past 1,000 ticks, just similar to what is happening on the percentages, as most of the people like talking about. So when you click the deep analysis, it will calculate, you see, scanning all the 1,000 history ticks, and then it will give you a signal. So you can see digit matches 3. After 3 ticks, maximum 2 runs. Remember, it's not usually guaranteed that you will win, especially the matches. But if it gives you a differs here signal, a differs signal is always correct using this analysis tool. So from there, you can see that already it shows that it is 75% win. So it's not 100% win. But if you find it saying 100% win, the better. So that's how the matches and differs is working. So from there, remember, this is a new tool called the signals on digits. Works well also using a mobile device. So when we go back here, you can see the over-unders have already started. You can see under signal digit 6, or under the digit 7, or under digit 5, and then run for 3 to 5 ticks. And then the maximum runs are 3, and stop after 2 consecutive wins. And then the recent signals are only showing these zones. So you can check around it how you can play along with, so you can understand how you can also maneuver on your side. So you can always come back to this tradepro.debot.pages, then analyze and trade using what it is tells you. So from there we get to the next part, which is the trading suite. This one is the tradeprofx.co.ke. You can access it here. It's just by the way. So if you don't have the website, just get it on the tradeprofx.co.ke. So this one is for the mobile, I mean those people using PC. So you can see here, this one is it fetches your account direct. So if you have a PC, you can always trade using it very well if you want to use this one. But now you see, if you have a mobile phone, you cannot able to access all the structures of the trading point here. So what you have to do, just go and use the tradeprofx.co.ke so that you can get the concept. So then follow our social media platforms on this area here. Then from there we have the Deriv sniper analysis. So we have the Deriv sniper analysis. That's another trading analysis tool, and you can see it works so well. So you can trade, you can see the strength or the signal guide on when to enter an entry trade. So just check about it. The idea is when to select the even odd. So you can select even odd, you can see the interactions that you'll get. Then you have also the over under, you have also the matches and differs. So each and every place is catered for. So we have the strategies already, you know these ones, so I won't talk about them. So you can try any of them. So from there we have the free bots, which we will be increasing. Normally when you see any bot here, it's one of the best I recommend. So I don't put anything for just for the sake. So try them, and I have already shown you how you can use it. So we then have the next AI trading bot. So there is the AI trading system. So you must put your Deriv token so that the AI bot can able to start working well and correctly. And if you want to see the strategy, I told you, click on that point and you can see what it is doing. From there, the PC users, if you click on the sideways here, you will find that we have another thing here, which is the Deriv trader. So this one is for the mobile devices users mostly. Here is where you can see the system very well using the what we call the cursor or the old interface. So when you click this one, it will take you direct to the Deriv trader. And then finally we have the combined, or let me say what we could. So you click on the sideways if you are using a PC, but for the mobile users, you will see all the tabs to the end very well. So and that is it. You can change from here and trade. So you can put your Deriv token and start trading either matches and differs. It will trade all those digits, and the differs those digits. Over under will also do these ones, over for these digits and under for these digits. And then the custom bots will only trade over 0 and over 1 and under 9 and under 8 at the same time. So with that, just go and look at it, what makes you happy. At least I've covered everything. Those who don't know how to get the tradeprofx.co.ke, you can click on this point if you have a PC. But for wider view, just use the website URL. So those few remarks, let's meet in the next video with more how now to use the signals or the analysis tools on this point as we trade live on this edge here. So let's meet in the next video. Bye bye.